last. I lacked the time to brew tea. My apologies.
Face to face again? What's changed?
Kurt Hansen, a criminal, dog. Vultures circle the Colonel's corpse already. The enterprise he built must choose a new leader. The Shard. Please insert it.
Let me guess. Got a successor all lined up, don't you?
Lieutenant Colonel Bennett, a man named Yago, from the Voodoo Boys. You will meet with Yago. You will convince him to back down.
Okay, I'll handle that.
No, you won't. But Aguilar will.
You lost me.
A merc assassin from Havana. A living legend.
Need me to assume Aguilar's identity?
Have a chat with Yago. Talk him out of any silly ideas he might have. Child's play.
Okay.
I've prepared a shard with helpful intelligence.
Okay.
Also a weapon.
Okay.
The same Aguilar uses. Help yourself to both.
Okay. Interesting piece of iron.
Seriously, Hans? You make me your guinea pig for untested tech?
You'll make a strong impression on Yago, too. A trusted source tells me he's to meet soon with a delegation of the Dogtown Voodoo-doos. I'll forward the coordinates.
Whoa.
I care not at all for how you handle the Gangoons. As you will. Once you've shown him reason, call me.
Allez, ça c'est pas territoire.
The fuck away from here.
Go foutez, ouais!
Va au morceau là.
Sacrifiez pour eux! La justice pour nous! Faut pas qu'il soit comme ça! On nous promet!
Gotta wait for the man.
Out in the open. Ah, want a face-off, do you? Aguilar, you saucy senorita. Gonk's got no clue what's coming.
Do you know what happens when someone in Havana lights a cigar?
No, of course not.
Very well.
Let's go.
Plot thickens with fucking Arasaka.
Balls.
When.
Le roi est mort. Vive le roi.
I think we're on the same page. They agreed to back me. 2 unmarked tactical units in Dogtown.
Gordon, let's roll. That's so fucking tight. Oh fuck, Aguilar! Fucking joke!
Oh, Bennett. What little regard you have for your own life.
hands here. Understood.
Aguilar,
No estoy de humor.
welcome to the Black Sapphire. Hope you, had a pleasant flight. Thank you for coming.
Aguilar. What a surprise.
I understand you've met.
Well, this pistol,
Fucking fine.
We have a deal.
behave, both of you. All of you. Or I'll be back.
Dog eat dog world, I guess.
And it never changes, June.
The word is Dogtown has a new alpha. Marvelous work, V.